Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So friends, today we will see what changes this new moon in Pisces has brought into your connection with your person. What messages your person want to give to you in new moon in Pisces. I know I'm little bit late on posting this video for you all friends, but the reason behind is that I was going very busy with my work schedule, and I usually post these new moon and full moon readings after having my strict meditation and ritual practice, which goes around 45 minutes, because I want to give you all genuine messages. And also my daily meditation is usually for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes and not more than that. So this meditation and ritual practice really helps me to tune into my own intuition, friends, and also help me to feel more authentic into my own energies in which I can trust. Okay friends, so before diving into our reading, I want to give you all a little bit background on new moon in Pisces. What changes this new moon in Pisces will bring to our lives individually, and also 5 ways to explore your spiritual side with this new moon in Pisces. So as you all know that this new moon in Pisces arrived on Saturday, March 13, and the sun was also in Pisces when the moon have made its move to the sign on March 12. So we have got a double dose of Pisces energy affecting both our outer and inner selves. So friends, new moons always signal a time of refresh, renewal and rebirth. It is the close of the old lunation and the awakening of a new one. As such, it is an event that will bring the themes of the past 4 weeks to a close and will encourage you to let go and close that book on your chapter. Similarly, as the start of a new lunation, the energies and themes you open now will follow you through until the next new moon. So it's important to get into the right headspace and set yourself up for success. Inviting in the wrong energy at this time can inhibit you throughout the rest of the lunation, because you reap what you sow. Okay friends, so this new moon will be an emotional one. Moments of closure and rebirth can naturally already feel a little emotional, but Pisces influence from both the sun and the moon will make you feel even more deeply, as the sun and the moon are the planets that rule our outer selves and inner selves respectively. So this will become all the more impactful if you are already a sensitive person. Try to remember not to take things personally, and that we are all feeling emotional right now. This too shall pass, but of course Pisces is also an immensely compassionate sign. So tap into this energy to help you have understanding and empathy for others at this time. Key traits of Pisces is its mysticism and creativity. Pisces is known to have the most psychic and effortlessly vivid imaginations. It's an energy that comes as a real blessing during a new moon, since new moons are the time to set intentions, begin manifestations, moon rituals, and otherwise bring your dreams to life. A big boost of creative energy is very timely indeed. Lean into it all and get ready to explore the mystic side of yourself. trust your intuition and give into your creative pursuits. If the need to write or paint or draw or create in any way arise, go with it. You will be surprised to see what comes through in your self expression. Also, Pisces is ruled by Neptune, the planet that governs water and dreams. So, if you are feeling unusually drawn to the mystic side of yourself, now is the perfect time to explore it with intention. Now, let's see what are the 5 ways to explore your spiritual side with the year's only Pisces new moon. So, number one is scan your subconscious. Since Pisces rules the subconscious, the Pisces new moon beams your attention inward. Your thoughts have a big part in shaping your reality, which in turn directs your outlook on life. Thus, it makes sense to give your mind an internal audit from time to time. The goal is to make sure all that monkey chatter isn't bringing you down. And second way is taking time for your creative pursuits like dancing, painting, singing, whatever it means you to show your creative side, as we have discussed. And number 3, set up healthy boundaries. This new moon may serve as a wake up call that you have been making too many sacrifices to your self care in the name of being there for a loved one. Giving is not a true act of generosity if you exhaust yourself in the process, friends. So, set up healthy boundaries and don't stay silent about your need for support. The struggle is real sometimes. Instead of wearing it like a badge of honor, let it be a wake up call that you need to reach out. And number 4 is spend time in nature to connect with your true selves and to keep yourself grounded by doing meditation. And just try to listen nature's voice, birds chattering sounds, water flowing sounds. It will help you to stay calm and feel refreshed. And last but not the least, number 5, be open to divine guidance. Wanted to be in control is a part of the human condition. Pisces is the star sign of surrender and release. If things take a U turn, try not to freak out. Instead, say, I wonder what I am to learn from this change of events. Let your curiosity lead instead of your anxiety. Stop, tune in, and plug into the flow. You are being guided, so listen carefully and watch for serendipities as clues along the way. All right, friends. So now let's quickly jump into our reading. We have opened our reading with a message from your person with the coming new moon in Pisces. Twin flame, the answer to your question involves a spiritually based romantic relationship. So maybe you are dealing with a twin flame. Okay, you are in a twin flame connection with this person. I'm learning how to love unconditionally because of you. I'm feeling the pain that I have caused you. I have been feeling lost and confused without you. Taking the time to learn my karmic lessons. Formulating an escape plan to leave the karmic partner. Detaching from our connection to concentrate on what needs to get done. Still stuck in a karmic cycle and too stubborn to fix it. I saw someone who reminded me of you, craving to spend time together and sharing music like we used to. It was my fault, but I blamed you, pretending to be happy with my current situation when I am not. I love you more than I show. You inspire me to take action. You are the best thing that's ever happened to me. Ever since you left, you haven't left me. I want to talk to you, not interested in pursuing other options, and only want to remain loyal to you. I'm having trouble confronting my shadow side. I worry you have moved on. No time for a plan, I'm coming. Observing your social media to find information about you. Cannot stand the idea of you being with someone else. Somehow I'm going to make this happen. So, very powerful messages coming through this reading, friends. Okay, so this new moon in Pisces has really brought major changes in your connection with your person. Okay, maybe they are realizing their their actions or inaction in the past, and now they are really formulating a plan to escape from this stuck situation and to move out into the light. Okay, I can see your person is really working on their shadow side. Okay, though we got that they are still stuck in a karmic cycle. Okay, but they have realized that they are stuck in some situation which needs to be handled with uh, handled with a practical plan. Okay, maybe some sort of decisions need to be made in order to move this connection forward. Okay, so yes, let me know in the comment section below, friends, if this reading has resonated with you all or not. Okay, so please like the video if you like the reading, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell button in order to keep yourself posted on my new upcoming videos. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, friends. Take care.